Hello guys, welcome to English Tour and the playlist that you are gonna learn 80% of English grammar in 20 sessions. Today we are talking about something super important, possessive adjectives. So don't worry, they are not as scary as they sound, but these little words are here to help us show who owns what. They are like putting a name tag on things so everyone knows what belongs to who. Okay, now let's meet them. There are 7 possessive adjectives in English: my, your, his and her, its, our, and their. So, for example, this is bookshelf, this is my bookshelf. But how do possessive adjectives work? It's super simple. Just put them in front of a noun. I repeat it again, in front of a noun to show who owns it. So here's the magic formula: possessive adjective plus noun. For example, my pizza, that delicious slice, is mine. Your phone, yep, that's yours. Or her dog, that dog belongs to her. Or their house, it belongs to them. See, it's like labeling everything to avoid any mix-ups. And now let's break them down. My. This is all about me. It shows that something belongs to me. For example, this is my cat. Yes, that little cat is mine. Your. This one's for you. It shows that something belongs to you. For example, is this your book? Yep, you brought it. His and her. These are for him and her. They tell us who something belongs to. For example, that's his jacket. Yes, he is the owner. Or her hair is so long, so it belongs to her. Its. This one's for things or animals when we are not using a name. For example, the dog is wagging its tail, so the tail belongs to the dog. Our. This one is all about us. It shows that something belongs to a group that includes you. For example, our family is big, so the whole family is involved. Their. This one shows something belongs to them, a group of people or things. So, for example, that's their car. Okay, they own it, not me. No confusion, but let me say that. Remember, possessive adjectives don't change based on whether the thing is singular or plural. Whether it's one cat or many, the possessive stays the same. For example, this is my cat, these are my cats. So same for everything else. For example, her book or her books. It's still hers. Okay, so far so good, but there are common mistakes to watch out for. Be careful not to confuse its and its. Remember, its possessive adjective belongs to something. For example, the dog is wagging its tail, but its with the apostrophe is short for it is. For example, it's a beautiful day, so don't let the sneaky apostrophe trick you. And that's the role of possessive adjectives. They are like your personal bodyguards, always making sure everyone knows who owns what. Whether it's my pizza, your phone, or our favorite song, these little words are here to help us keep track of everything. Well, that's enough for today. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who want to learn English the fun and easy way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.